Good evening. This is my reflection. First, what did I learn from the task that I've done this module? Through the activities in this module, I learned a lot about my own family and how relationship shape who I am. The genogram helped me see patterns, strength, and even struggles in our family history. The BSc sharing also taught me how different families experience love, challenges, and growth. Overall, I realized how important communication, understanding, and faith are in keeping a family strong. Second, what did I do well in this particular module? I think I did well in being honest and open during the reflections. I really tried to look at my family with a deeper perspective instead or just writing quickly. I also put effort into listening my classmates' stories during the BC sharing, which helped me to connect better with the activity. What are my strengths and weaknesses that I discover in accomplishing the task in this module? One strength I discovered is that I am actually good at reflecting when I take my time. I can express my thoughts clearly and meaningfully. I also realize that I am waiting to learn from others and appreciate different family experiences. But also saw one weakness. I sometimes struggle when tasks require me to think deeply about personal or emotional topics. It can feel uncomfortable, but I learn to work through it. 4. How do I feel about my work performance? I feel proud of the effort I put into the module. Even if some tasks felt challenging or personal, I still completed them with sincerity. I learned these things not only academically but also personally, which makes the experience feel more meaningful. 5. What were the challenges, difficulties that I've encountered in finishing my silo task? The hardest part for me was reflecting on my family's background through the genogram because it made me think deeply about things I don't usually talk about. Sharing personal experience during the BCC sharing was also a bit difficult at first because I'm shy. But despite these challenges, the task helped me grow, understand my family better, and appreciate our journey more.